NASA has done a great job and has put together a very detailed 3D image of the Earth, the Moon and Mars. Recently, I came across something on the internet which is the closest to bringing the real moon onto your desk. So I bought one, and in this video we'll be checking it out. It costs about £10 and comes in a cardboard box. I will leave a link in the description. Inside the box, we have a wooden stand, the USB charging cable, an instructions manual, and a 3D printed version of the moon. I like that they've used some artificial hay instead of bubble wrap in the packaging. I prefer setting the moon on the hay rather than the stand that was provided. Looks like a nest for the moon. There are a few different sizes. I got the 8cm version. The size is the diameter of the sphere and not the radius. It is 3D printed using PLA, so it is highly recyclable and biodegradable. The print is really fine and is of great quality. I can only dream of getting a print of this quality using my 3D printer. It has been printed as one single piece with the electronics inside and has no signs of break-off support structures. Nicely done. The fact that it is rechargeable and does not require batteries is such a big relief. It takes about 6 hours to charge it fully and will last anywhere between 8 to 30 hours on a single charge depending on the brightness levels. The moon turns blue when charging, and yes, it can be used while it is being charged. Next to the charging port, there is a tiny switch that responds to taps. Tapping on it once sets the moon into an off-white mode with a slight orangish tint, and tapping on it again sets it to pure white. Tapping and holding it either in the orange mode or in the white mode will increase or decrease the brightness. That's it, simple as that. I've spent over an hour just staring at it while making this video. It's very satisfying and will make a very good gift. Thanks for watching. Take care.